All right, guys, it's Devin Hunter, the Space Coast Elite Homes team, powered by RE/MAX Elite. I am down here in South Merritt Island, and I am going to give you a video tour of a $3 million property. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it real quick before I go inside the property, and then just give you a video tour. So hopefully you guys can actually see what this home is like. So this home here is a 4-bedroom. Let me go ahead and, this home here is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 5,670 square feet. And it is on South Merritt Island here in Honeymoon Hill. Let's go ahead and turn this around here so you guys can actually see there. There we go. See the property there. You don't want to see my face, do you? So 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 5,670 square feet. It is 3 stories. It's got a main level, a basement, and an upper level where you can actually view the rocket launches and the sunsets or the sunrises. So HOAs here are $800 a year. It is on a septic, city water, built in 2015. It has direct water access to the Honeymoon Lake in back, and also you own part of that through there, and then there's an island back there where you'll have direct access to Indian River. As you look east, you'll have the Banana River when you can see it off the 3rd story. So anyhow, let's go ahead. Oh, I want to tell you about the taxes as well here real quick. So the taxes here are $21,655, and this is a $3 million home currently listed, and this is a courtesy that I'm going to be doing a tour through here and just kind of show you guys what is going on in this property. So here we go. All right, guys, there you go. There is a $3 million property here on South Merritt Island. Hope you enjoyed the video tour. If you're looking to come down in this area, feel free to give me a call. You see all the information down here in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you see when the next video comes out. All right, guys, I'm out of here.